We've been talking about op art and illusions and how things trick your eyes, and this is your weaving project. This is the sample that I made. And also in the videos that I was showing you, it talks about how when you have colors that are very close and similar, it kind of gives the movement effect. And another thing that artists do is also use complementary colors to make things stand out. So for this example, I'm going to use yellow and purple because they're complementary colors. First thing you do is you have your big 12 by 18. You do corner to corner. You crease in the center and massage out or fold it out. Now you should be able to do peekaboo. That means you should see the paper underneath. If you can't and it's like this and there's no paper, remember you need to turn it around. This fold should be towards your tummy, okay? So you're going to need a white colored pencil, a yellow colored pencil, and a ruler and a glue stick, and we're going to get started here. So the first thing that you're going to do, when we did the practice one, we folded. Remember we folded the pair of pants? Well, what I didn't like was on this sample you could see that fold. So instead, we're going to take our ruler's width, meaning we're going to line, and if you need to turn it, you can. Turn it like this, put your pencil on its side, and that is your line, that is your stop line. So right here, you're going to write your name, check your shoulder buddy. You can write stop, S-T-O-P, S-T-O-P. You're going to check it again, folds at the bottom. You can do peekaboo, that's good. Now on mine, I'm going to show you my example of how I did it here. On the back, I'm going to show you how to do this taping. You're going to mark, the first one is going to be 3 inches. So this line right here, you're going to line up your ruler where you see that line, and you're going to put a little mark going vertical up and down at 3 inches. Then you're going to mark 6 inches, and the next one will be 9 inches. So you have marked it 3 inches, okay? Now at the bottom, you're going to put it right up against this, and you're going to measure in 1 inch. So you'll do 1, hold it steady, 1 inch here, 1 inch there. So you have that at the 11 and at the 1. At this time, stop and show your shoulder buddy. It should look like a trapezoid, okay? You have that center point. Now I'm not going to make marks along here. I'm just I'm going to kind of eye it. So that's not straight. This isn't straight, but this is straight. And I hold my ruler steady, got my 2 fingers on it, take my white colored pencil, and there's my midpoint. The next one I'm going to do is from this top, which is a 3 inch, and a 1 inch. Line up those 2 little pieces here. There we go. Now you see this trapezoid, this is like a road, doesn't it? That's the middle of the road. Line up the 9 inch and the 11 inch, because 9's on top, that was on the bottom. Now, that is not enough sections to weave. If you look at mine, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 lines. So go back up to the top, and now we have, see how I have 6 inches, because in between 3 and 9 is 6 inches, and you're going to go mark 1 inch is 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inches already marked, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6 inch. Now you're going to, this is straight, this is at an angle, and see how this is going to kind of move into that same angle, okay? And you're just going to kind of get it as close as you want. It should be getting, I think I need to erase this. Look how skinny that is. I don't think I want it that skinny. Maybe I do. Let me see here. Let me check this one. Yeah, I guess it is that skinny. That's okay. So, if you look at them, they're pretty similar. Same thing. You want, this is working with your eyes. Now that's straight. You're trying to create that illusion of where it looks like a cube. And they are slowly working their way out. They're getting thicker. Okay, I did not cross any lines. It's lined up just like that, going into the center. Now, check it again, because once you cut it, remember, you can't fix it. And we're going to stop where? At that line. So I'm going to nibble, 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 hold on to that paper. I've got 2 papers I'm cutting at once. Hold on to it as steady as you can. Put your hand up at the top like I am. Makes it easier. Okay, and stop. Now, you've already done your practice weaving, which is amazing. You guys have become master weavers, so you know how to weave. You get to choose what colors you want. Everybody's loom, which is this black paper, it's going to be black because it helps create more of an optical illusion of a cube if you have black paper. All right. Now, go up to the top here, watching those fingers. Stop. Now, I want you to think about like this is a horse. It has to finish its race. It has to go all the way in. That means go all the way to that line. If you go all the way across, you'll rip it. So there's my loom. I'm going to very carefully open it up. Set my stuff aside. Crease that down. Now, my lines, if you can see, they go all the way to the edge. Now, you can create whatever pattern you want. I'm just probably going to do purple, yellow, and not, you could do purple, purple, yellow, purple, purple, yellow, doesn't matter. Now, we've also talked about having them snug as a bug in a rug, and you want them straight up and down or vertical. My next color will be yellow. Now, that is on top of the paper. So now you want the next one to be opposite. See how it's under? And when you visit the back, I have a container where all the strips are in there. Please make sure that you are putting them back nice and neatly. You need to grab, let me see how many strips I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you will need 14 strips. I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and finish weaving, and I'll be right back.